guys, we are here tonight in Dubai, playing Forró all night. Can you believe Forró for the first time in Dubai? And I'm so happy to be part of this project. Thank you, Sounds of Brazil, again and again. Thank you, Dana. Thank you, Daniela Queiroz. It was great to meet you again and see all the work you've been doing in the Brazilian culture here. Gathering all the musicians, the dancers, the capoeira fighters, all of them together and bringing Brazil to Dubai. Very well, very professional, and I hope I come back. I hope you enjoy my show, and I hope all the Brazilians come tonight. Thank you again, Sons of Brazil. See you soon. Bye-bye. Yeah!